This is the csc260 review exam, September 2015, question 2. In question 2, we're supposed to use only transistors, resistors. You can talk about VCC and the ground to implement this truth table. Now you see, this truth table is true if A or not B is true. Whenever A is true, you see when A is 1, over here, the output is 1. And we're having trouble. Whenever A is 1, the output is 1. There. And whenever B is 0, the output is 1. So that should be fairly clear. Now, the question is, what do we do about this? Well, so I'm going to need basically to set up an OR gate with A and not B. So what I'm going to do is start out with B feeding into a NOT gate. So we're going to have the resistor over here. Up here is VCC, and there's the resistor. Here's the transistor. I'm going to feed that. Here's B going into the transistor, and here is not B going out, and here is the ground. So that should be not B. Notice it's very good to put comments on your Ys explaining what should hold be in them. So I've just made, that's just basically your NOT gate. Now, at this point, I'm going to feed that. Okay, I'm going to have another resistor up here, and VCC is hooked to that guy too. And we're going to create a transistor over here. And that's going to give us NOT B. So when NOT B is true, this guy is going to pull down to the ground. Wait a second. I forgot this was a NOR gate. So, okay, I'll fix that. Okay, so this is going to be, there's much better ways to do this than that, and I'll let you guys figure it out. I'm doing this ugly. That's fast. And this guy, A, is going to come in over here. Don't worry about how exactly it gets in there. And what's going to go in, once again, is this guy grounds out. There's A, and this is going to be not out. The opposite of out. But that's easy enough, right? Because if A or B come in, it's knotted. So if I want to get out, I just grab VCC, that, go in like this, transistor, this guy and this is out. And so you see that one of the most important things is every wire is labeled as to what it's doing. And that is really what makes this whole thing fly. And that's also going to be important in your project coming up. So that is the answer, is an answer to question 2. Not even a particularly good one, but it works and it's there.